This is how we turned $140K in ad spend into $1.6 million for this luxury jewelry e-commerce store. The strategy with this client was to create a full funnel ad strategy. So we had about 3 to 5 top of funnel campaigns running this year and only ended up keeping 3. And then we had 1 retargeting campaign to kind of bridge the gap between anybody who was adding to cart and not checking out. This allowed us to really target the pinner at multiple stages of their journey. We even explored launching a consideration campaign to just drive traffic to the site, but that didn't seem to be as fruitful as just running catalog campaign, conversion campaign, and dynamic retargeting campaign that were all optimizing for checkouts. The first campaign that we launched was a top of funnel catalog campaign, targeting specific product groups that we thought would be the most successful on Pinterest. So for some ad accounts, it's the most popular product groups. For some ad accounts, if the SKUs are under 1,000, we just launched the all product group. It really varies. For this jewelry client, we had running in here the most popular product group because it just seems to do very, very well on Pinterest for all of our ad accounts. The second campaign that we were running was a top of funnel interest conversion campaign where we were targeting interest in the client's niche and showing them a mix of video pins and static pins because these were the ones performing the best. We actually have 2 ad groups in this campaign. One is an interest only ad group and one is a keyword only ad group. What we noticed was when the interest ad group was no longer performing, the keyword ad group would pick up and then vice versa throughout the year. So it was good to always have them in there competing against each other so that whenever one went down, the other one was there to pick up the slack in performance. The type of creatives that we launched in these campaigns were specifically video, mainly because the static were not performing as well as the video pins. In the keyword ad group, the ads that were performing the best was also a video. So we just really doubled down on video this year for this ad account because that's what was performing the best. That being said, just because video performed for this ad account doesn't mean video is the right fit for everybody's ad account. Sometimes static is king. The rest of the campaigns that we have actively running right now are catalog campaigns. One is a dynamic retargeting campaign, and the other one is a top of funnel catalog campaign targeting a specific kind of product group that we noticed was performing very well on Pinterest for this client. This product group has about 4,000 SKUs in it and is quite large, but not so large that it, dilutes where the algorithm can kind of find the audience, basically. Ultimately, we found that this combination of 2 top of funnel catalog campaigns targeting different types of products was performing the best. And we also saw, similarly to how we saw in the conversion campaign, when one would go down, the other one would pick up the slack. We kind of saw similar behavior between the 2 top of funnel catalog campaigns this year. Our scaling strategy this year was just to target 1 country with all these campaigns, but to add budget to every campaign that every week would perform better. And then if one dipped in performance, we would remove budget for that week and see how that adjusted. Creative refreshes for the conversion campaign was also a big part of our strategy this year for this client and was pretty pivotal in making sure that the audience was never getting bored with the content that they were seeing from this brand. That's pretty much how we turned 140K into $1.6 million. If you want a second opinion on your Pinterest ad strategy, or you just are looking for help to launch your Pinterest ad strategy, feel free to book a meeting with me in the description box below. You and I can chat about your Pinterest account and see if we're a good fit to work together. If you have any questions about anything we talked about in today's video, feel free to also write it in the comment box below. And on that note, I'm going to wish you a lovely rest of your day and we'll chat in the next video. Bye for now.